Some people have handcuffs on their wrists because they are convicted criminals. But even they don't have handcuffs on their nervous system. What I am saying is that there is no situation where they would see or hear something, or even rest, and as a result of them either resting or hearing or seeing something, that their muscles would begin to go crazy, like what happens to me. There is a sort of restraint put on my nervous system, preventing me from both resting and enjoying something either audibly or visually. No one else has that. I am being treated worse than a convicted criminal. And nobody would tell me fucking why. Why am I innocent, talented, kind person with positive intentions toward himself, and everybody else is treated worse than convicted criminals? Nobody would tell me fucking why.